Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to create a PDF printover from a custom form. Generating a PDF printover form from a custom form enables practitioners to electronically complete forms uploaded by patients adhering to the specific instructions provided during the custom form process. This not only streamlines the workflow but also enhances the accuracy and efficiency of handling patient information. During the setup, ensure that the custom form includes a file upload button, allowing patients to upload a PDF file. For more information regarding how to set up a custom form, please refer to How to Set Up Custom Forms user manual, linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the desired booking of the patient to open the diary sidebar. Click on the myGC drop-down menu and select the Send Custom Form button. For more information regarding how to send a custom form to a patient, please refer to the How to Send a Custom Form user manual, linked in this video's description. The patient will then receive the custom form sent via email or SMS, allowing them to complete and submit the form on myGC. Once the patient submits the completed form, the practitioner will have access to the patient's answers. As before, click on the desired booking of the patient to open the diary sidebar. Now, click on the clinical button to open the clinical screen. The custom form that was completed by the patient will display on the screen and will also be added to the clinical sidebar under the Active Form section. Next, click on the Create PDF Printover button on the PDF document that was uploaded by the patient. The PDF Printover screen will open and will also be added under the Active Form section. From here, you can now start to create the PDF printover using this form. For more information on how to complete this newly generated PDF printover form, please refer to the How to Manually Fill in a PDF Printover user manual, linked in this video's description.